Motherhood is practiced not so much in words as in attitude and in actions, said Harold S. Jenin. Motherhood is a series of behaviors rather than a role for heroes, said Margaret Wheatley. National Safe Motherhood Day is an initiative of the White Ribbon Alliance. The Government of India declared in 2003 the National Safe Motherhood Day on April 11. It became the first country to do so. Every year, a theme is decided by White Ribbon Alliance to raise awareness about adequate access to care during pregnancy, childbirth and postnatal services. India is one of the most high-risk places in the world to give birth, accounting for 50% of total maternal deaths worldwide. Every year, 44,000 women die in India due to improper care during pregnancy. When did India start observing National Safe Motherhood Day? On the birth anniversary of Kasturba Gandhi, the National Motherhood Day is observed every year. Kasturba Gandhi was the wife of the father of nation, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. What are the causes of deaths in India? Poverty, distance to health facilities, lack of adequate information, inadequate and poor quality services, cultural belief and practices. How can these deaths be prevented? Severe bleeding. It is one of the causes of deaths among women. It can be prevented injecting oxytocin immediately after childbirth, which effectively reduces the risk of bleeding. Infection. It can be prevented by practicing good hygiene and timely care. Preeclampsia. It should be detected and appropriately managed before the onset of convulsion and other life-threatening complications. Administering drugs such as magnesium sulfate can lower the risk. Despite over 80% of women are delivering in health facilities, still the death rate is high, as these require attention not only post and during the delivery, but from the time a woman gets pregnant. Unawareness is leading to such higher percentage. An initiative by the Government of India. Care for infants after delivering during motherhood. There have been many initiatives by the government at the national level for the care of pregnant women. The Government of India has launched Janani Shishu Suraksha Karyakram to motivate those who still choose to deliver at their homes to opt for institutional deliveries. It is an initiative to ensure that benefits under JSSK would reach every needy pregnant woman coming to government institutional facility. Janani Shishu Suraksha Karyakram JSSK launched on June 1, 2011. Make eligible all pregnant women who are delivering in public health institution for absolutely free and no expense. The entitlements include free drugs and consumables, free diagnostic, free blood wherever required, and free diet for 3 days during normal delivery and 7 days for C-section. It also provides free transport from home to institution. In 2014, these entitlements extended to pre- and postnatal complications of pregnancy. Similar entitlements have been put in place for all sick newborns and infants accessing public health institutions for their treatment. SDGs Sustainable Development Goals. In the context of the Sustainable Development Goals, countries have united behind a new target to accelerate the decline of maternal mortality by 2030. Sustainable Development Goal 3 includes an ambitious target, reducing the global MMR to less than 70 per 1 lakh births, with no country having a maternal mortality rate of more than twice the global average. How a newborn is linked to maternal health. Most maternal deaths are preventable if women access healthcare solutions to prevent or manage complications. All women need to be aware of care in pregnancy and during and after childbirth. Maternal health and newborn health are closely linked. Therefore, it is important that all births are attended by skilled health professionals to provide treatment in time. This will make the difference between life and death for the mother as well as for the baby. To avoid deaths, it is also important to prevent unwanted pregnancies by the means of contraception and other legal ways. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.